Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study microbiology for BSc nursing. Begin by building a strong foundation in basic microbiology. Focus on understanding the different types of microorganisms, their structures, and how they cause disease. Pay close attention to the immune system's response and the mechanisms of infection. This foundational knowledge is crucial for connecting theory to clinical practice later on. Next, adopt effective study techniques. Visual aids like diagrams and flowcharts can simplify complex microbial life cycles and disease pathways. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing specific pathogens, their characteristics, and associated diseases. Regularly test yourself using active recall and space out your review sessions to solidify your understanding over time. It's vital to apply your microbiology knowledge to clinical situations. Think about how different infections manifest in patients and what nursing interventions are appropriate. Reviewing case studies helps you understand disease progression and treatment protocols. This practical application will not only deepen your understanding, but also prepare you for real-world nursing challenges. Finally, make the most of your resources and engage in continuous review. Your textbook is a primary source, but also explore reputable online nursing platforms. Study groups can provide new perspectives and clarify difficult concepts. Regularly practicing with past exam questions will help you identify areas needing more attention and boost your confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.